This is the universal ambient lighting. This is the universal ambient lighting for the center console, and connect to the VLAN. VLAN. Here is the center console. See, plug and play, and use this button to switch the color. Change the color. All we need to connect is the power cables, GND, and the signal cable. This is for the universal ambient light center console and the V lamp, and this is the for the door. Here make a one door to demo. And here, see, this is the position storage, the door position, one lighter, and here's another lighter, and this door free. And what you need to do is only to get the power, and the GND for the door. So the other three doors is the same way to connect. See, 1, 2, 3. So in the door had a three light source. The center console, V lamp, and the door, and others is the same for the other door, same. So this is the universal ambient lighting.